Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to cancel Amazon Prime. Alright, so just in case you want to cancel your Prime membership, I'll show you how to do this and break down the process on Amazon. Now do note this is the latest version, and of course this will work throughout 2026. It may even work for longer into the years ahead. However, as soon as the overall interface changes, it's going to be a little bit different, but the general principle should remain the same. All right, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So go ahead and launch your Amazon account. Make sure you're signed in. And as you can see here, I have Prime. And the thing with Prime is that it kind of makes it a little bit convoluted to cancel. All right, the case you could cancel in is when, for example, you do not want to use service anymore, or let's say you have a free trial and you do not want it's almost the end of the 30 days that you have got, or the month, and you want to cancel it because you do not want it to start charging you the coming month. All right, so of course you can go ahead and go into the process and cancel it. Do not worry, if you have 5 days or 15 days remaining, it will still remain even if you cancel it. All right, so it doesn't really matter. You can go ahead, it will finish the period and it won't charge you. All right, so just in case that's what you want to do. So first of all, go ahead and you're going to search, and you're going to go to search for Prime settings. So go and search Prime settings. If the AI pops up, go ahead and cancel it. So Prime settings is what you're going to search for. You're going to next go to manage your Prime membership. So you're going to tap on manage your Prime membership. And of course, it's going to give you an option looking like this. You're going to search through and you're going to hit where it says manage your membership and cancel and more. So tap on that option, which is the gray line there. You should see an option that says, for in my case, it says free trial. That's Prime plan. And of course, next it says renewal date. And of course, it says beneath that manage membership. All right, so it says under there update, cancel, and more. So I'm going to hit manage membership. And of course, once you see manage membership, here it says share your benefits. It says remind me before renewing. All right, and it says end membership. By ending your membership, you will lose access to your Prime benefits. All right, so you can go ahead here and hit end membership. So I'm going to hit on where it says end membership, and here it says Ricardo, you still have 21 days left to enjoy your Prime benefits for free. So it says use your Prime benefits today, or it says down here remind me later. You could ask it to remind you later and do this after, or you could explore, and it says continue to cancel. I'm going to hit continue to cancel. All right, and here it goes. It gives you the information. It says please confirm your Prime membership cancellation, and it says a free trial, and it says next billing date, which is the 3rd or the 18th for me, and it says cancel renewal, and it says your Prime benefits will end on that date. After that date, your benefits will end and you will no longer be charged for your Prime membership. By canceling, you will no longer be eligible for your unclaimed Prime benefits. And of course, it's asking if you want to remind later, keep your benefits, or you can hit end Prime membership. Do note that it says end Prime membership, but note it's not saying it's going to end it today. It's actually saying it will end on March 18, 2026. So you don't have to actually wait until the closing date to end it. So if you have been using for a few days, you can simply go ahead and end it. It will automatically mean that it won't roll over whenever the 18 comes. So I'm going to hit end on March 18, 2026. All right, and here it says your membership will end on March 18, 2026, and I've just received the email pertaining to that. Let's do this now. It says after that date, you will lose access to your benefits and your card will not be charged, which is what you're aiming for. Then it's giving you the option to continue your membership. Explore Prime now. All right, and of course, it means that it's cancels. So you don't need to touch anything in here anymore. If we go back to the home screen, you'll notice that it's still Prime. And another cool thing about it is that there's an email. It says you're confirming that you're opted to end your Prime membership. You'll continue to have access This is the email to your benefits until March 18th. After this period, you can reactivate your membership at any time. If you would like to stay with Prime, basically ask if you want to continue, what to do. It says thank you, Amazon customer care. All right, so the Prime membership is canceled, and of course the best thing is that I don't have to wait until the exact date, just in case I forget, to get charged for another 30 days after the trial, or in case I just want to cancel it outright. All right, so I do hope that was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.